Welcome to Tempus Locum. This is the screen you'll see when you first start the app. From here you can either just set up a new notebook, or you can restore a previous instance of Tempus Locum from Google Drive or from local storage. To demonstrate it for new users, I'm going to set up a new notebook. The wizard will guide you through this process, and it is worth reading the walls of text the app occasionally presents you. They're typically there for a good reason. Firstly, you need to specify a name for yourself. This will be stored within the backups to help you identify who and when the backup was created. Then, optionally, you can specify an organization. The organization name is saved as part of the backup and presented to you when you're looking at a list of backups when you're restoring, and can also be printed on labels when you get to label printing. Finally, you need to specify a notebook name. This name will be shown in the backups as well, and should be indicative of the theme of all of the programs you plan to have in this notebook. When you're done, press save. For first-time users, the wizard will then move on to creating a new program. A notebook consists of multiple programs, and every location is contained within a program, just as every sample is contained within a location, etc. Not everything in Tempus Locum needs to be about work or the field. All programs also need a prefix code. This is primarily important for labels and for managing locations, but it's a short two or three letter code that goes ahead of location numbers. In this case, I'll just choose R. At this point, you can go directly into the program or hit done, and it will take you back to the main menu. So I will go to the program. Program is initially empty. It just shows the program name. The icons at the top of the screen indicate that I can add a new location, show the current program on a map. Obviously there's nothing there, and there are a few other options here. I can edit the details of the program, including its name. I can export the program to an Excel file, and it can show me hints relating to this screen. And if I created samples, I can find those samples. Similarly, I can also delete this program. At this point, I'll create a new location by simply pressing the Location Add button. You will notice that a hint has popped up here describing what this screen is about. This is true for most screens within the app, and you can disable them after reading them, hopefully, by pressing Do Not Show This Hint again. At this point, it's creating a location. You'll notice the icon on the top right is spinning and pulsing. This indicates it's trying to find my current location to fill in the location block details. At this point, I can edit some notes. Give it a description if I want to, and I'm done. You'll notice the location's now appeared. Not particularly accurate, but that's because I'm indoors. And I can tell it to stop looking just by tapping the icon. You'll also notice now there's a compass showing. This compass will point north. You'll also notice to the right of the compass is a little three-dot drop-down menu. This is the context menu for the location details. Locations are by default shown in UTM coordinates. You can show them in a variety of different coordinates. You can ask it to update the location if you're not happy with it. And you can also ask it to show you a pointer to that location. There'll be more on that in another video. And you can show this location on a map. So if we change the coordinate system, we can change it to UTM, MGRS, or lat long. If you don't know what those are, just stick with UTM. I will stay with UTM for now. To show this location on a map, you can either use this menu to select Show on Map, or you can use the map icon at the top of the screen. This will go to Google Maps, show the location that you've selected at the top, and show the actual location on the screen. If there were more locations in this program, it would show you markers for each of those locations. At the bottom of the screen is a menu button which has a variety of options which you should explore in your own time. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out the others in this series.